Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to embed anything in Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace website dashboard, and let's go to the website editor. So just click Edit Site and then click Edit right here. And here is my Squarespace website. And pretty much you can embed anything right here in Squarespace. You can embed audio, you can embed video, you can embed music, you can embed custom widget and things like that. So what you need to do is that you just need to use the code block or the embed block. So for example, I will add a blank section right here at the top of my website. So just click add section, then click add a blank section. So now I have this section right here. And in order to embed anything in Squarespace, so just click add block and then you can use the embed block or the code block. So for example, I will embed a custom widget. So I'll just click embed right here and then I will use a different website. So I have this elf site website right here. So this website focuses on creating custom widgets. So from here, I can just copy the embed code from the widget right here. So just click the three dots and then usually websites will have an option to have your embed code. So you can just copy this. So click on it and then copy the code right here and then go back to your Squarespace website. And then we can just paste the embed code right here in the code snippet. So just paste the code and then it should be added to our Squarespace website. So it has this preview in safe mode since because sometimes it causes bugs when you view the embedded widget inside of your website editor. So I'll just click save and then click preview in safe mode. So we should see the embedded widget right here on the embed block. But we can still click save again and then click exit so that we can see how it looks like in the live website. So as you can see, we have the widget right here with the Instagram feed widget. So we can go ahead and edit this, then we can delete this. And then another way that you can embed here in Squarespace is that you can embed audio. So just click add block and then click audio right here. Then you can double click on the audio block and then you can go ahead and upload your audio file right here. So for example, I'll just click add an audio track. So from here, just go ahead and navigate your file explorer and choose your audio file. So for example, I'll choose this file right here. And then we'll just go ahead and wait for this to be uploaded. So sometimes the upload takes a while, so we just need to wait for it to finish. Now that the audio file has finished uploading, so we now have an audio file embedded right here on our Squarespace website. So this is like a background music for your website. So another way is that we can also embed like Spotify music right here. So you can just go ahead and do the same thing. So for example, I'll open my Spotify right here and then I want to embed this song to my website. So I can just right click, go to share and then click embed track. So you can customize the format right here as well as the size, and then you can also see the embed code right here and then you can copy it. So let's go back to Squarespace. Then we can add an embed block and then click edit, then paste the code right here on the code snippet. And then as you can see, we now have our embedded Spotify music. If the embed block doesn't work, you can also use the code block. So here is the code block. So open it and then paste the code right here. And then we also have our embedded Spotify music right here. So any of the embed block or the code block will do. So it just depends on your preference. So another way is that we can also embed YouTube videos. So for example, I'll just open a YouTube video right here. So I open this YouTube video, which is a free stock video footage. So we can just copy the URL right here, go back to our Squarespace website, and then add an embed block. Then we can double click it and then just paste the link right here. And then it will be embedded in our Squarespace website. Another way is that you can also use embed code. So here is the YouTube video. Just click share, click on embed, and then we can copy the embed code right here. Then we can go ahead and delete the link and then paste the code right here on the code snippet. Then we also have the embedded YouTube video right here. So those are some different ways that you can embed anything right here in Squarespace. So you just need to know where is the embed code of that specific feature that you want to add to your Squarespace website. And then that is it. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.